Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Topic of this video is CBSE class 10 science and the name of the lesson is light, reflection and refraction. In our previous class we have discussed about the image formation by concave mirror and as well as the convex mirror, and we have also discussed about the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. And in this video today we are going to learn about the new Cartesian sign convention and mirror formula and also magnification. This new Cartesian sign convention is very much needed in terms of working out the numericals in light. For example, this new Cartesian sign convention is applicable both for concave mirror and as well as the convex mirror. So, when we are dealing with the numericals, and obviously we have to use these signs, we have to convert some signs, and those signs rules for those signs we are going to learn today. Okay. So, the very first rule of a sign convention is the object is always placed to the left of the mirror. So, you could have seen that when we are drawing the ray diagrams in concave and as well as convex mirror, we placed all the objects at the left side. So, that is based on the first rule of the sign convention. So, we are supposed to keep the object left side. Okay. This implies that the light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side. So, this is for our convenient, and this rule has been given. And always we are supposed to keep the object at the left side of the mirror. Okay. And then the next thing is all distances parallel to the principal axis, measured from the pole. Okay. So, whatever may be the distance, whether the distance of the object or maybe the distance of the image, all the distances will be measured from the pole, and this is going to be our object image distance and this is going to be our object distance. So, all the distances whether in the left side and as well as the right side, everything will be measured from the pole of the mirror. Now, let us move on to the next rule. All the distances measured to the right of the origin are taken as positive, while those measured to the left of the origin are taken as negative. So, here you can see there is a concave mirror, and in this concave mirror what are all the measurements we are measuring in the left hand side from the pole which is parallel to the principal axis. All those distances will be given as negative sign. Okay. And what are all the measurements we are measuring to the right of the pole, and we have to give a positive sign. Yes. So, we have seen the three rules. First one, we are supposed to keep all the objects at the left side of the mirror. It may be a concave mirror or it may be a convex mirror. We should keep the object at the left hand side. And the next one, all the measurements will be measured from the pole of the mirror. Okay. And the third rule is the measurement which is measured in the left hand side of the pole will carry the negative sign, and right hand side of the pole will carry the positive sign. Now, we will move to the next rule. The fourth rule tells that distances measured perpendicular and above the principal axis are taken as positive. perpendicular and above the principal axis are taken as positive, and distance is measured perpendicular to below the principal axis are taken as negative. Okay, so you can see here the measurement which are measured above the principal axis are taken as positive, and below the principal axis it is taken as negative. Okay, so and the measurements which are measured left hand side of the pole as taken as negative, and right hand side it is taken as positive. So this is what the rule, and in this sign convention this pole of the mirror is going to act as the origin. Okay, and principal axis of the mirror x and x dash, it is considered as x and x dash. So these are the 5 rules, I mean in sign convention we are supposed to follow during the numericals. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the object distance and image distance. So object distance is nothing but the distance of the object from the pole is called as object distance, and it is denoted with the letter small u. The distances of the image from the pole of the mirror is called image distance, and it is denoted with the letter small v. And already we know about the focal length. Focal length is the distance of the principal focus from the pole, and it is denoted with the small f. Okay. So this object distance, image distance and the principal focal length, and there is a relationship between these three. Okay. And here with this picture let me explain you. So here is the object. So this is the pole, and this distance is called as object distance, and object distance is denoted with the letter small u. And here is the image. Here is the image. So this distance we used to call it as image distance, and it is denoted with the small v. And the distance between the pole and the principal focus, this distance we used to call it as focal length, and it is denoted with the small f. Okay. So this relationship between this object distance and image distance and focal length has been expressed in this way: 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So this is what the mirror formula. So reciprocal of image distance plus reciprocal of object distance is equal to reciprocal of the focal length. Okay. So this is what the mirror formula, and when we are using this mirror formula we are supposed to consider the sign convention. So using that sign convention we have to give the sign to the particular image distance or else the object distance. Now we will talk about the magnification. Magnification, actually it is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So as it is a ratio, magnification does not have any units. So no units for magnification. Okay. So height of the image is denoted as h dash, and height of the object is denoted as h. So the magnification becomes h dash is equal to h, and this magnification actually it is a ratio, that is how much when we compare with the object the image is whether it is increased in size or decreased in size. So that suppose if it is increased, how much it is increased, if it is decreased, how much it is decreased. So that ratio is called magnification, and by using this we can find out the magnification, or else we can go with the magnification is also related to the object distance and image distance. So that magnification has been written minus V by U. So V stands for the image distance and U stands for the object distance. So using these formulas we are going to find out, we are going to work out so many numericals. And before that I just wanted to tell you something, that if magnification is equal to 1 means, it means that the object and as well as the image, they both are same in size. Okay, and suppose if the magnification is more than 1, it means that particular image is enlarged image. And if the magnification is less than 1, which means that particular image is diminished image. Yes, and so by knowing this magnification value itself will give an idea about the image, whether it is the same size of image or enlarged image or diminished image. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to tell you, if the magnification is in positive, for example +2, if the magnification is +2, which means this plus indicates that it is a virtual image, and 2 indicates 2 is the more than 1. So we should consider that it is the virtual and enlarged image. Suppose if the magnification is -2, please don't take it in this way that -2 is less than the 1, you cannot take it in that way. Sign indicates, sign will give us a different idea and the number will give us a different idea. Okay, so m is equal to -2 means minus, if the magnification value in negative sign, which means it is a real image, and 2 as it is a bigger number of bigger than the 1, it is a enlarged image. Yes, so if magnification is equal to 1, it is same size. If more than 1, it is the enlarged image. If it is less than 1, it is the diminished image. If magnification in positive sign, it is a virtual image. If the magnification in the negative sign, it is a real image. So let me ask you one more question. If m is equal to minus 0.5, what it indicates? Can you guess and tell me? Yes, of course, you are right. Minus indicates the real image and 0.5 it is less than 1, so it is the diminished image. So minus 0.1 means it is a real and diminished image. Yes, so that's all about this video. By using these formulas, we are going to work out so many numericals in our next session. Okay. Thank you children. Please do subscribe our channel to get the latest updates.